To patch a tire, you'll need to locate the leak first. To do so, fully inflate the tire and check it for any obvious holes, tears, or embedded objects. If you're not having any luck seeing or hearing the leak, rub soapy water on the tire. Look for spots where the soap bubbles up or fizzles due to air leaking out. Once you've located the leak, remove the tire so you can patch it properly. Loosen the lug nuts with a tire iron. Then jack up the car so the wheel is elevated off of the ground. Remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel off of the hub. If you notice an object lodged in the tire, such as a nail or a piece of glass, carefully pull it out now with a pair of pliers. Mark the spot with chalk or a marker so you can locate where the hole was. Next, use a valve stem core remover to unscrew the valve stem and pull it out. Pry the tire iron off of the rim using a tire spoon. You'll need to do this on one side of the tire first, then turn it over and do it again on the other side. Once the tire is off of the rim, use an air dye grinder with a sharp pointy bit attached to the end to clean out the hole in the tire. Spray a pre-buff cleaner on the inside of the tire where the hole is. Then use a grinding stone bit on your air dye grinder to rough up the inner surface where you'll be putting the patch. Clean away any dust and dirt around the hole with compressed air. Then cover the buff surface inside the tire with a layer of rubber cement. Once the cement has dried enough to be tacky to the touch, remove the backing from a tire patch and place it over the hole on the inside of the tire. The patch should have a pointy stem that you can poke through the hole. Once you've done this, use a roller to flatten out the back of the patch on the inside of the tire. Then seal the back of the patch with a rubber patch sealant. While it's drying, clip the pointy stem of the patch off of the outside of the tire with a pair of wire cutters. Reinstall your tire once the patch is completely dry. This should only take a few minutes.